Hi everyone, it's Robin here from the Dance Physio. I'm here today with a sequence that's going to give you really great dance-specific strength in a very short amount of time, so one little neat sequence. We're going to be working your core muscles, your turnout muscles, your hip mobility. We're going to be working the muscles that will improve your arabesque and extensions to the back, and as a bonus we'll be working your arms and shoulders, which should never be forgotten. I'm going to go through the whole sequence now, so if you've got time, clear yourself some space and you can follow along. Otherwise, make sure you click the Save for Later button so that you can come back to it. Also, please do take a minute to click the subscribe button. Subscribers help me to keep making great content, and you'll be notified when I release new great tips for you to improve your dance training. Right, so let's get going. We're going to start with just a very quick little warm-up to get your core muscles and your spine warmed up and ready to go. So everyone come onto your hands and knees, make a flat back. Pull your tummy muscles in towards your spine and curl your back up. And then reverse it, so arching your back. We'll do that 3 more times. And come back to a neutral spine, so making a nice flat back, and then coming into a plank position, keeping your tummy muscles pulled in and your tailbone tucked down. Bring one knee up towards your chest and rotate it into turnout and back to neutral. We'll do that 10 times, so that's 2. Keep your tummy muscles pulled in the whole time. Lower that knee to the floor. Coming into a flat back, turn out your back leg and lifting it up, squeezing your arabesque muscles. 10 times, so 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And lifting that front knee again, 10 rotations into turnout. And setting that front knee down, 10 lifts into arabesque. Keep your tummy muscles engaged. And here we go, we're going to switch sides. Step back to a plank position. Pull your other leg towards your chest and 10 rotations. And set that leg down, 10 lifts into arabesque. And 10 rotations. Lift your front knee up and go. And 10 lifts into arabesque. And finish there.